Hi, welcome to this video from mrintegrator.com. We are going to see the main features of the L3Pro module or the RGBIC device. It has a LED strip light based on pixels, and so this is a pixel lighting. We can have different patterns, different colors on it. It can be controlled through the evening application, and the module comes with a 5 meter long LED strip light, and also you can have the warm and cool lighting with the colored lighting. It can be integrated with the Google Home and Alexa, and you can define different scenarios, different timers, and also it can react to the music, and it can generate for you more than 16 million colors or 60 million colors. The CCT is 2500 to 6500 Kelvin, and the IP rating of the strip is IP54. The controller uses the Wi-Fi connection. Also, it can be paired with the Bluetooth mode or the BLE mode. And inside the package, we have the main modules. The power cable unit and power, as mentioned on the box of the device, 5 volts with 2 amperes of the power, and you can use the cable to supply the device. It is easy to connect the cable here with the type C cables, and also using this connection you can connect the LED strip, so it is very easy to use and install, and then you can control and enter it to the pairing mode using the button on the device. And you can see the more details on the data sheet and the installation notes. As you can be seen, it is easy to install this device to connect the power supply and also the LED strip, and then enter it into the pairing mode and add it to the Evelink application using the Bluetooth pairing. In the next videos you will see the device in action. You can use different patterns and also different features in the application to control it, and this is really interesting in action. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos. As you can see, I have installed the power supply to the module and then set a pattern on this, and you can see easily I can just from here I have connected the LED strip to the module. It can be easily mounted to the device, and then using the button I can turn it on with the preset pattern that I have enabled through the Evelink application. You can see the pattern of the LED pixels, that it is really interesting in this mode, and they are completely different with normal RGB lighting strips that normally we will see on the market. And you can define different patterns, different colors, and also different events using the Evelink application.